how to transfer crypto from BullX Neo to Phantom Wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our BullX.io over here, click on our wallet manager. So over here in our wallet manager, we're simply going to add a wallet under our withdraw wallet will be here. So we could withdraw or transfer cryptocurrency from BullX to our Phantom. So click on add wallet, click on Solana over here. Now we're going to open our Phantom extension over here on the right side. Click on receive and click on Solana. Now we have our Phantom address over here, so simply paste it over here and then name your wallet. So this is going to put random for now. Click on add wallet, and now there we go. You have now your withdraw wallet. As you can see here, it will activate after 3 hours, and after that you will then be able to easily transfer and withdraw money from BullX.io. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.